Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times Design Team Project, and let's go ahead and get started. So starting out, I am using the coffee gift card holder die, and that looks like that. And these dies are very large, perfect for a gift card too. Next up, I have You Warm My Heart, the stamp and dies. I'm using Sending You Peppermint Kisses, and here goes those dies. And that's the one right there. I am also using, from her last year's release, I'm using the Sweet Candy Cane Die 2, and I'm using this set right here. And from a couple releases back, I am using the Christmas Greens, and I want to say I'm using this one. I didn't have these put together, so I just thought I would use that. Had a couple of those, and I just snipped that right there, and I am also using this right here. And I am also using the assorted mini bow dies, and this is just like the perfect set of dies. I love this die set. Anyways, I'm using this one right here along with its coordinating pieces. And then last but not least, I'm using her dots, solids, and stripes, and this goes with the Let Us Know. And let me show you this card a little bit more close. I thought that candy cane along with these little pops of red look perfect on this blue, and then on the Sending You Peppermint Kisses I colored in those little hearts, and I put everything else together. I did make it as a card so that you can just open it right up there, and I love how it turned out. I thought the color was a little different for Christmas, but just perfect. So I stepped out of my comfort zone with the basic Christmas colors, but I still like how it turned out. All right, so I'll have all the links down below to my Creative Time along with my Design Team sisters, and that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.